The next one is kind of magical, inspiration from Colin. I'm just going to jump ahead. Basically, creating an app here that just has like a simple initialization screen and a counter. And then you'll see, like, skipping ahead a bit. Okay, so cool. The thing works, the counter works. And then I'm going to go in and manually create a syntax error. So this is like a thing we've seen happen a couple of times. The agent's generally really good at one-shotting these apps, but there have been times like either user error or agent error where there's something like a syntax error. So I'm just adding a simple little extra brace. And now there's this new fix this button. And you can see like it's broken, like it's just stuck on this initialization page. So I click fix this sometime soon. Come on, Nate, click fix this. There we go. And it starts analyzing the code and says like, hey, there's a syntax error. So it just fixed it. And now the app works again. So that's number 2.